The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 presents a commanding and luxurious front view that blends tradition with modern design. Dominating the face is a bold, wide chrome grille with intricate mesh patterning and the signature Toyota emblem shining proudly in the center. The sharp, angular LED headlights feature DRLs that create a piercing look, giving the SUV a fierce yet refined presence. The sculpted front bumper integrates heavy-duty skid plates and stylish fog lamps, designed for both protection and flair. Strong hood lines sweep toward the windshield, emphasizing power and movement. Each element, from the grille's metallic finish to the bumper's aggressive angles, speaks of durability wrapped in elegance. This Land Cruiser's front face is not just about looks, it's a declaration of legacy, strength, and authority, making it instantly recognizable on both city streets and rugged trails. Perfectly engineered, it reflects Toyota's commitment to luxury and unstoppable performance. The rear view of the Arabic-styled customized Toyota Land Cruiser V8 is a bold statement of luxury and heritage. Its sleek LED taillights glow with precision, flanking the iconic Toyota logo finished in chrome. The rear bumper features golden accents and dual chrome exhausts, adding both elegance and power. Arabic calligraphy decals near the tailgate enhance its cultural identity. Massive off-road tires wrap around custom black and gold alloy rims, giving it an aggressive stance. The Land Cruiser badge shines with pride, completing a design that blends tradition with modern strength. Perfect for royalty, desert roads, or high-end city living. The interior of the Toyota Land Cruiser V8 reflects unmatched elegance and comfort. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with chrome accents, framing a digital speedometer that glows with high-tech precision. The dual-toned brown and white leather seats feature intricate stitching, offering a luxurious and spacious feel. The dashboard is clean and refined, blending wood and metallic finishes. Ambient lighting enhances the classy vibe, while every detail, from seat design to instrument layout, shows Toyota's commitment to blending rugged performance with refined luxury. The back seats of the Toyota Land Cruiser V8 offer first-class comfort with a luxurious Arabic-style touch. Finished in dual-toned brown and white leather with diamond stitching, the seats provide both elegance and support. Rear passengers enjoy entertainment screens, ambient LED lighting, and a central armrest with control features like cup holders and climate settings. The room feels spacious and refined, with wood and chrome accents, plush floor mats, and soft lighting enhancing the atmosphere. It's a perfect blend of tradition, technology, and supreme comfort.